Since time immemorial, man has been on the hunt of a secret, the fountain of youth. Rich, thick, shiny hair and healthy glowing skin are perhaps the best indicators of being young. Just the way wrinkles are the symptoms of aging in skin, scanty hair, lack of growth, thinning of hair loss and baldness are the symptoms of aging in hair. To conquer hair thinning, various treatments have been tried like using snake oil, applying elephant's ivory powder, standing on one's head, etc. All this has led nowhere, and as a result, the search continued. Now, science has the answer to hair thinning. The answer lies in stem cells. There are two types of stem cells, the embryonic stem cells and the adult stem cells. The embryonic stem cells are located in the blastocysts and differentiate into 220 types of cells in the body. In the human body, skin and hair contain adult stem cells in two places, the epidermis and the dermis, and are known as epidermal stem cells and dermal stem cells. The epidermal stem cells are responsible for stimulating growth and delaying aging. The dermal stem cells are located in two places, the dermal papilla and the hair bulge. The stem cells in dermal papilla induce formation of hair follicles and help differentiating into collagen and elastin. The dermal stem cells in the hair bulge are responsible for hair follicle development and control anagen-telogen phase. Extensive work on the epidermal and dermal stem cells had been undertaken, and thus research in human stem cells had started. However, results are still awaited. In the meantime, it was discovered that plant stem cells can be useful in providing nutrition to the human stem cells, since they had similar epigenetic factors. This discovery came about while observing a unique species of apple in Switzerland. Going back in time to the 18th century, in early Switzerland, a rare and an endangered species of apple, Utwiller Spätlober, was known for high storage ability. While all the other apples started to rot, this species of apple never seemed to age. But due to their acidic taste, they were not marketed and hence not cultivated. The scientists in Mibel, a scientific research group based out of Switzerland, was highly intrigued by this species of apples. Under the leadership of Dr. Fred Zulli, the team explored on a journey to identify the mystery behind the anti-aging properties of this apple. Years of research led them to a startling discovery: plant stem cells. After studying the stem cells of the rare apple species, Dr. Fred Zulli and his team came to a conclusion that these stem cells were found to maintain the characteristics of the epidermal stem cells. The study showed that these stem cells activated certain genes that delayed aging by 50% and replenished dying cells. Similarly, work was done on the stem cells from argan tree, the oldest living tree on the planet, and stem cells from pea plant. The stem cells from both these plants were found to nourish the human dermal stem cells. The argan stem cells were found to induce the formation of new hair follicles by stimulating the dermal papilla of the dermal stem cells, increasing their potency by 90%. The pea plant stem cells were also researched and found to work on the hair bulge, increasing growth by 85% and restoring hair regeneration by 78%. But the task here was not complete, as new hair follicles need a lot of energy to grow. Hence an enzyme called nanolipopel coenzyme Q10 was discovered, which re-energized the hair follicles, thereby stimulating growth and preventing graying of hair. From this point on, began an exciting journey for Richfield in collaboration with the scientists from Mibel. Since most of the research on stem cells was focused on skin, Richfield, whose name has been synonymous with hair and trichology the world over, and who has been on the forefront of pioneering innovations, felt the need to take this research ahead in hair care. Richfield decided to partner in with Mibelle, and with continual research on hair, the combination of the plant extracts from apple, argan and the pea plant, along with natural enzymes like nanolipobel coenzyme Q10, powered with nanotechnology, gave rise to PCT Rejuva Max. When such a unique product was developed, the next challenge was its penetration into the human scalp. Dr. Apurva Shah and Dr. Sonal Shah, the founders of Richfield and India's first certified trichologists, took the step forward and collaborated with a renowned Italian scientist, Dr. Fulvio Ferrari, and his company, Biotech. The outcome was a unique machine, RF Energain 10X. This technological wonder, RF Energain 10X, is able to deliver PCT Rejuva Max to the scalp of human hair with ease and perfection. RF Energain 10X is the first of its kind transdermal hair follicular penetrating machine in the world. It ensures complete detoxification of scalp and penetration of active stem cells. It also removes DHT, which is the primary cause of thinning of hair in both men and women. Hence the combination of PCT Rejuva Max and RF Energain 10X led to a unique treatment called Anagrow. World's first non-invasive treatment for hair thinning based on plant stem cells. Therefore, a new and a unique chapter in the field of hair care now unfolds in collaboration with the Swiss scientists, the Italian scientists, and Richfield, bringing hope to millions of people with thinning hair and its 5 symptoms: scanty hair, lack of hair growth, decreased volume, decreased density, and hair loss. The results:
Actually, it's a little bit frustrating knowing that you are losing your hair. You are thinking, this is it, I start losing my hair. So emotionally, you are kind of emotionally frustrated. I started looking around, trying to find techniques and methods until I came in contact with the Richfield, the Anagrow, and I've been using this method for 1.5 months now, and it really works. I feel like I'm a different person because now I believe that not there is a chance. I see the results, so this is what I wanted. My advice: they should have a look at me, and I recommend it to anybody that really wants to make their hair look stronger or even recover their hair.
Thus, what the falling apple was to Newton, the Swiss apple is to Richfield. And now, through Richfield, to the whole world of hair and scalp care.
Well, the quest, to conquer all problems for hair has been always the driving and the moving force as far as Richfield is concerned. And we were very intrigued by research which was going on in Switzerland by Dr. Fred Zulli at Mibelle, which was on the plant stem cells, and beginning with the wonderful apple, and we brought it around as PCT Rejuva Max. And then the other challenge then was that how do we put this wonderful product into the scalp? But we got in touch with Dr. Ferrari at the Biotech company in Italy, and that's how the RF Energain 10X came about. I think the problems are the same and unique all over the world, right? Specifically hair loss, scalp irritation, baldness, and the most important thing which we are seeing is a precursor to baldness, that increased incidences of thinning of the hair. All this leading to 5 symptoms of thinning of the hair, which is scanty hair, lack of growth, decreased volume, decreased density, hair loss, leading to thinning in a woman in the front and for a man at the back. And these are very crucial symptoms which we are seeing in every second or third patient in India, and that's what we hope to fight and combat with the Richfield Anagro treatment.
Mibel Biochemistry is a Swiss-based company focusing on research on stem cells. In our research we found that these plant stem cells are able of maintaining the vitality of hair bulge stem cells and therefore delaying the aging of the hair follicle. Mibel started this research on plant stem cells about 8 years ago, and it took us quite some time to establish the plant stem cell cultures. This was the first challenge. Then the second challenge was really to show the beneficial effects on human stem cells like skin stem cells or hair bulge stem cells. For that we have to establish specific cultures based on these human stem cells to show beneficial effects of our products. We are quite happy from Mibel Biochemistry to have this collaboration with Richfield, a very well established company here in India and a leader in hair care, and putting our expertise together, I think we could really create new exciting products which will benefit to the market.
When Dr. Apurva approached us with this new idea, was for us an important challenge, and we have started to search into clinical to proven technology which could have been combined with Rejuvimax stem cells plant products. The machine incorporates 3 different technology working together. The first step is a detox step. Following, we have an application that combines vacuum suction with LLLT laser, which has scientific proven base to work on regaining the vitality to the hair follicle. Finally, we utilize this Rejuve procedure, which helps the product to be absorbed deep into the scalp. So we, in a non-invasive way, we are able to deliver the results where is needed.
Together, we can make this world a better place to live in.